In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an app in BlueStacks. Updating apps in BlueStacks 5 is straightforward and similar to updating them on an Android phone. Whether you want to update a specific app or all the apps at once, I'll guide you through both methods. Let's dive right in and make sure you have the latest features and fixes for your apps. First, let's get started by opening BlueStacks 5. You will see the familiar home screen with various applications displayed. This is your main control center for managing apps. Look for the BlueStacks icon on your desktop or application menu. Once you click on it, the emulator will launch and you will be taken to the home screen. It is important to ensure that you are running the latest version of BlueStacks itself, as this can affect app performance and updates. You will be ready to update your apps once the home screen appears. Next, click on System Apps on the home screen. This section houses essential applications that help you manage your BlueStacks environment. You'll see various icons, including the Google Play Store. Clicking on System Apps is crucial because it gives you access to tools needed for app management. This will set you up for the next step, where we will head into the Google Play Store to find your updates. Now, open the Google Play Store. This is where all the magic happens for downloading and updating apps. You may be prompted to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so already. Signing in is essential to access your downloaded apps and get the latest updates. If you see a sign-in screen, just enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will have full access to manage your applications. From here, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually represents your Google account and gives you several options related to your account. Clicking on it will bring up a menu where you can manage various settings, including app updates. This step is important as it directs you to the management options for your apps. You're almost there, so let's continue with the next steps. Select Manage Apps and Device. This will take you to a section where you can see the status of your apps. Here you will find information about updates, storage space, and more. Under the Overview tab, you will see the option for updates available. This section will show you which apps need updates. This little step is essential because it allows you to see all the available updates in one place. Click on Updates Available. This will display a list of apps that have updates ready to be installed. Take a look through this list to find the specific app you want to update. If the app you are looking for is there, you are in the right spot. This makes it easy to manage your app updates without searching for each one individually. Find the app you want to update. Once you locate it, you will see an option to update right next to it. This makes the process seamless and efficient. When you click Update next to that app, the update process will begin. It's important to wait for the update to finish completely. You will see a progress indicator showing you that the update is being downloaded and installed. Once it is complete, you can launch the app as usual, and you will enjoy the latest features. Now, let's move on to updating all apps at once. Open BlueStacks 5 again and navigate to System Apps, Play Store, just like before. This method is great for those who have multiple apps needing updates. It saves you time and ensures everything is up to date simultaneously. Click your profile icon once more. Just as before, this will bring up the menu where you manage your apps. It's a straightforward step that leads you to the next part of the process. Select Manage Apps and Device again to check for updates on all your apps. Click on Updates Available. This will show you all the apps that have updates. To update everything in one go, click Update All. This action will initiate the update process for all your apps simultaneously. You can sit back and relax while the updates are installed one after the other. Finally, wait for all available updates to install. You will see progress bars for each app as they update. Once it is done, you can explore the new features and improvements in your apps. Keeping your apps updated is essential for security and performance, so regularly checking for updates is a good practice. And that's how you update an app in BlueStacks. You are now equipped with the knowledge to keep your applications fresh and running smoothly. Thank you for watching.